if I just do a blank search, and this is my system, so there's not a lot in here, but if you've got 4 million documents in your VC, you're doing a blank search, it's just going to return a whole load of junk. So if I was doing a search on a client, what I would do is I'd put their client code in here, and I'll just do this. I'll do a search at each step so you can see what the difference is between the ways that this stuff is coming back to me. So if I wanted to try and find something in here, I've got to filter through all this stuff, which is, you know, a pain. But what I would probably do if I wanted the perfect replication of a paper file within Virtual Cabinet, I drag that to there. So where it says drag here to group, I just drag it, drop it there. That then groups everything by different document types. I then collapse all those groups so I can then see what my different areas are. I'd then sort it by those areas, and then I'd hold down Shift and click on description. So I've got a double sort, and then what I've got is an alphabetized client file, and then as I expand these out, every document within that is then alphabetized. So hopefully doing stuff like that and just manipulating how the data is presented to you, if you can teach everybody in your firm how to do that, everybody is going to be happier.